Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this French press coffee maker that the company sent me to do a review of. They say that this is 304 stainless steel. It's a precise scale on the pot. You can use it with food. You can put it in your dishwasher, so it's easier to clean. So let's open this up, take a look at exactly what you're going to be getting if you decide to purchase this. Okay, so we got it open. Let's take it out. And here is the French press. Looks nice so far. I got some instructions in here on just how to do it. And let's take a look. So you can see the top of it. Looks nice there. We can pull this right out. Looks like it has, okay, so these little filters on here. Looks like it's got some extra ones as well. So if you want to change that out after a while and change out these filters, you just open this up and you can just put that right on there. Looks like it's got some paper in there. Let me open this up. So let me figure this out.